Yo, hello. My name is Muhammad Gian Kausal, also known as Gian. Uh, I'm from Telkom University. My student ID is 10303240011 in the class of IT 48-02. I'm majoring in information of technology, and also my faculty is informatics faculty. So, in this video, I want to talk about my hobbies, interests, and also my talents. Let's start with my hobbies. Okay, my hobbies are playing video games. Okay, so I started playing video games in middle school. I played Flappy Birds, Angry Birds, and also some web games like Brave, Flash game in my dad's computer. Okay, now I want to talk about my favorite games. It's called Undertale. This is a story-based game, a puzzle game about a human that drops down into the monster's world, but the monsters are friendly, and you can choose between you want to kill it or you want to spare their life. It has multiple endings. I recommend that you try it first. So, what I like about these games are the stories and the characters. The stories are well written, and the characters are so unique, and you can like all the characters. I think there's no bad written characters. Oh yeah, I forgot the music, man. The music of Undertale is too good. You probably heard some of it in memes or video, but you don't know what it is. Probably check it out. And I think my most played games recently is Valorant because of the competitiveness. You know that competitive is an addiction. So you want to play it more and more and more, whether you lose or you win. So Valorant is fun, but also rich inducing. So I can recommend if you want to play with friends, if you want to have fun. Okay, next up, my second hobby is reading comics, especially Japanese or Korean comics, also known as manga or manhwa. Okay, so I collected 6 volume of free rent among type of Japanese comic in my dorm. But since I'm at my home, I cannot show you here. But I can give you a recommendation, maybe 3 in this video. First up is Sousou no Frieren. This is a comic that you want to chill. If you want to have fun reading it, the characters and the world building is well written. So well written, it's probably the best fiction, the best slice of life fiction in comic, in my opinion. So this manga tells us about Frieren, which is an elf. So elf is a race of people that can live more than 1,000 years. The main thing of elf is they preserve time different than us human that can only live below 100 years. So her first companions and her first friends, they are heroes of this country because they slain the demon's lord. But this is not the main story because what happened 40, 50 years later, Friuran doesn't get old because of her race, but her friends do. And one of her friends that had a crush on her recently getting sick and sicker and passed away. Frieren realized that she should have spent more time with all of her friends instead of roaming around collecting useless magic spell. Okay, so in these comics, the main thing about Frieren is she likes to collect magic spells. Just so they run around the world just to collect different magic spells. So the second comics that I will recommend is this here. This is On My Way to See Mom, my mom. So this is the type of comic, the wholesome type of comic about a little boy that wants to see her adoptive mother because he lived in an orphanage and they didn't show her adoptive mother face. So he want to really see her mother face because one of her orphan friends already getting adopted by another parents. So he decided to leave the orphanage because his instincts probably and were found by some bike riders, and far into the stories we get to see his mother face. But I should warn you because this comic, how is it? It gives me a bad ending vibes. I don't know how because recently it's just getting more s- sadder, not sadder. It's getting more a bit more, how is it, anxiety type of vibe. So I should warn you, it's not all sunshine and rainbow. Okay. Next and lastly, this is my last comic to recommend. It's Red and Blue. Red Blue. This is not your usually fighting comics because it doesn't have any superpowers and it is purely mixed martial art. And what I like about these comics is the explanation about why that move works. And another thing that I like is also the characters. The main character's motive is pretty, what is it? Pretty unusual because he wanted to go to MMA because of his childhood. How is it? It's not friends. They are not really friends. Classmate, his childhood classmate, uh, really, he is really good at MMA. So when they are about in high school, the main character want to punch him so bad, but he couldn't because the classmate is really good at MMA. So this is the story about how the main character becomes good at MMA, so he can punch his old classmate. He's not a bully, but it's just he doesn't like about the vibe of the classmate. Just that he's not getting bullied or anything. It's weird, but it's fun. Okay, my last and recent hobby is this, collecting fragrances or collecting perfume. I don't know why I started this, but I don't know. This I like it. I like collecting perfume. So I'm going to show you one by one. what this smells like, what the vibe that I get from this. So this is Karus Blue Spice by Hadlaj, and this is the type of smell of citrusy, a little bit of, what is it? A tea type of smell and a gingery type of smell. So it reminds me of lemon tea, but with a ginger twist to it. It's very bright. It's very fresh, I would say. This is a very good perfume to wear in the summer heat. I like this. I want to buy this because look at this. It's already been sucked dry. This is Siaka Blue by Hadlaj. This is my reason by it's sweet but how is it? Sweet but aromatic type of smell. This sweet is very sweet because it reminds me of bubblegum somehow. Yeah. And the dry down is quiet floral, I think. It's not like bouquet kind of flower, it's there to mellows out the sweetness. This dries out like a wood, but this dries out like a sweet floral notes. Okay, next up is Komorebi by Poela Studio. This is my how is it? This is a custom smell that I want. I want to have this vibe of calming, rainy, foresty type of smell. So, man, it does not disappoint, man. This is a very good fragrance, a very calming, a very extraordinary fragrance. So, the vibes of this is like someone having a drink of a cup of tea in the middle of a rain in a forest. So it's very calming. It's very, how should I say it? The simple thing is a very calming soap, body soap. This is very good, very clean, and very calming. Okay, next, my interest. My interest is making a game. Why? Because I'm a gamer, and I want to make the game. I want to spills out my ideas into a game because I think I'm pretty creative, man. Like, I want to share the stories, I want to share the gameplay, and I want to make a game like Undertale. That's my inspiration. So, my second interest is color grading. I'm gonna tell you first. I'm partially colorblind. I hardly differentiate blue and purple, green or brown, and yellow and green. But that doesn't mean I cannot see any of that color because I know this is blue, I know this is blue, and I know this is blue. What I had a hard time deciding the colors is like this. I have a hard time deciding if this is a very dark green or dark like greenish dark brown like that. So I don't know if this is brown or probably green. So I'm going to challenge I'll want to challenge myself by color grading photos. Can I make it good or bad? So because I love changing or enhancing the vibes of a photo, here is some of my projects. Firstly, this. Okay, this is my that the sun shine uh cover his face and his body. Originally, it looks like this. Uh, it's very flat and boring, I would say, but it's not a bad photo. It's just I can make it more exciting. This and my other one is this. Ah, this. This gives the vibes of how shall I say friendship. Like yeah, the blue sky, the blue ocean in a beach. Like this is cool. The original photo is very dull. I say it because it doesn't really have any good contrast, and the photo after the editing is, I think, is good. I don't know. I'm still a newbie at this, so let me know in the comments if that is good or not. So okay, next I'm going to talk about my talents. So here, I don't know if I have any talents, but if you said I have any better skills than majority of people, I think it would be my English and my math skill. Okay, I want to talk about my math skill first. I don't like maths in the middle schools. I really hate it. I really despise maths because the teachers. But in the senior high school era, I got this revelation, I think. I really enjoy maths for some reason, but not the kind of maths that remove my brain, that hurts my brain. The type of maths that like a story type question. Because I like that story type question, I got 800. What is that? 825 points in my maths test in UTBK. And also, I get represented as OSN participant in mathematics in my first year at senior high school. I didn't win, of course, but yeah, I got selected. Next is English. In middle school, I would say it is my talent for sure. It is my talent because I learn English very, very fast. And my friends' parents always ask me if I go to English class lesson or what. I didn't. I always say it. I learned it from YouTube, but not the learn English YouTube. It is a gameplay video of a Minecraft YouTuber, and I learned it by pattern recognizing, like when somebody throws an item, he will say, "Throw it to me." So I know that throw probably means lempar in Indonesia. In Indonesia. Okay, in my middle school also, I won at an English. What is it? An English competition, a general knowledge English competition, and I got second place. And in my where is it? In my junior high school era, I also uh, got awarded the most active English speaker by my school's English camps program. And this is a photo that prove it. Here, this is me. I'm very skinny right here, and this is the award that they give it to me. Okay, So thank you for listening to my rants about my hobbies, talents, and also interests. Uh, Thank you everyone. Please leave a like and subscribe in this video. Share it to other person maybe. Please don't share it. Okay, thank you everyone and goodbye.